Alright guys, this is another one of our studs. Remington. Or Remy.
Remington Steel.
You say hi? Remy!
Are you ready?
He's like, what are you doing? It's like, no.
Remy? Remington! Nope, gotta go. Gotta put this sign over here, gotta check it out.
Remy! Come on!
Come on, buddy. Remington! Hey!
Come on! No, stay out of there.
Remy!
Come on!
Remington! Come here!
He says, no, I'm gonna check out the pond.
Remington!
Hey! Come on!
Come here! Hi! Hi!
Yeah, he's a beautiful blue and tan
It's still very
hunt.
much a puppy.
He's very much a puppy still.
He just turned a year old.
Oh yeah, he did just
Hey,
turn a
Remy?
year old.
Yeah, I went to Portland and picked him up. He turned a year old. Well, I picked him up in July, so. Typical boy.
Gotta mark it.
Hey. Remy. Hello.
To walk right by it. Hey, don't you leave me again. Hey,
Remy.
come on. Nope, you're gonna leave me again, aren't you?
Yep.
You're rude.
Remington.
Rude, dude. Come on. Let's go back over here. Good boy. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Hey.
I love his tan markings. It's almost like a cream instead of a tan. The little cream butt. Hey, Remington, where are you going? I guess he's not feeling the video.
No.
Hey,
He's a boy. They do their own thing.
it's like a cat. Don't you go up there, Remington. Come on, buddy. It's like, oh, I smelled something. What are you doing? Remy!
I'm deciding if I want to leave a little something.
Have them remember me by
Play.
Remy!
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Remy.
You about done? You ready to say bye?
Remington.
Hey! No? That's your bye?
He says, okay, I gotta go.
Okay,
I got
bye!
things to do.